back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you a very cool AI hack which can help you in your studies. It really helps me in my studies. So I wanted to share this AI hack so you guys can also make a great use of it. Now I have taken all the photos, so now I'm going to convert these photos into PDF and then save it in files. So I'm going to give a name for it and I'm going to give the name lesson bird. So then I will save it. So now the hack comes. After you save everything, you need to open Gemini. After you open Gemini, you need to go to the files or any other document which you have saved in and open that lesson. And then now I'm going to give the prompt as create a quiz of 10 questions by using this PDF. And after that, I'm going to go to the tools and click on Canvas. And then I'm going to give my prompt. So Gemini has created the quiz. So let us open this quiz. So once we open our quiz, Gemini will give you a list of questions according to the choice you want. So I wanted multiple choice questions, so Gemini gave me multiple choice questions. It can also give you fill in the blanks or anything else you want. So I have asked Gemini for 10 questions. So I am doing these questions currently, and there is a very cool hack at the last which can really help you in your studies. So after we finish the quiz, I got 90 accuracy. So now I can click on growth areas, how many questions I want. So this AI will help me get the questions which I want for my growth. So it's gonna give me a lot of questions, and you can also put the amount of questions you want. For me, 5 questions are enough. So I am quickly finishing these questions so we can move to the next thing in Gemini. So after we finish it, then we can analyze our performance and get to know our highlights, like our reading comprehension and fracture recall is amazing. And then distinguish similar details. So distinguishing similar details is difficult. And then there is also option known as flashcards. So this is just like the entire chapters in some flashcards. And if you click on one flashcard, you can see the answer. So like this, there will be many flashcards. And before the exam, you can just see these flashcards. And the last thing is our study guide. Study guide is one of the most important things. So I hope you love Gemini and you use it. So this is our study guide. So please use this Gemini, which can really help in your exam.